Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can you have two Monese accounts? I know that this is a question that a lot of people are interested in because Monese is a great way to manage your money. It's a mobile-only bank that offers a variety of features, including a current account with no monthly fees, a debit card, the ability to send and receive money internationally, a budgeting tool, and much more. So, if you're thinking about using Monese, you may be wondering if you can have more than one account. The answer is yes, you can. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a second Monese account and how to use it. I'll also discuss some of the benefits of having multiple Monese accounts. So, let's get started. How to create a second Monese account. Creating a second Monese account is very easy. All you need to do is follow these steps. Download the Monese app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and tap on the Sign Up button. Enter your personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and email address. Choose a username and password for your account. 1. Outcast-shop.com. Outcast-shop.com. Verify your identity by providing a photo of your ID document. Once your identity has been verified, you can start using your second Monese account. How to use your second Monese account. Once you have created your second Monese account, you can use it in the same way that you use your first account. You can send and receive money, make payments, and use the budgeting tool. However, there are a few things to keep in mind when using multiple Monese accounts. Each account will have its own balance and transaction history. You will need to use a different email address and phone number for each account. You can only link one bank account to each Monese account. Benefits of having two Monese accounts. There are a number of benefits to having two Monese accounts. Here are a few. You can keep your personal and business finances separate. You can use one account for travel and the other for everyday expenses. You can set up different budgets for each account. You can get a better interest rate on your savings by having multiple accounts. So, if you're looking for a way to manage your money more effectively, I highly recommend creating a second Monese account. It's a great way to keep your finances organized and to get the most out of your money. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. Thanks for watching.